Transitions are valuable for a video because they capture people's attention. They help to move the story along, convey a mood or tone to viewers, and set the stage for the next scene. As a video creator, you want to produce a creative and eye-catching video using different kinds of transitions. Many video editing tools may help you to produce a good quality video and provide cool transitions. However, some tools are expensive, and you can only export the video you created after you purchase a premium account. And other editing tools are not good enough when it comes to video editing options. Fortunately, aside from converting video into a different file format, ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate has MV features where you can create, edit and design videos however you want. This tool has a lot of video transitions that you can put between every scene. The cool transitions are piled up as a theme, so you don't have to waste time putting transitions one by one between every scene. You only need to choose and click it at once. ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate also has many different filters and effects, which help you to create a good and eye-catching video. You don't need to worry about the operations because it is easy to use, even for beginners. And most of all, this tool produces high-quality output for you, so you can rest assured that the project you do is clear and good. To use this tool, visit www.acesif.com/videoconverterultimate or simply click the link under the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to put a transition between your video scene. First, open the ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate. Then, on the Tools interface, select the MV option, where you can edit and design. With that, different video themes will appear. These themes hold a variety of transitions that you can put on your video. Add all the video clips you have, and then choose the type of transition from the theme. If you want to cut the video length, click the scissor icon on the video to trim it according to your desired length. Just drag the edge of the video to where you want to trim, then click Save once you're satisfied. If you want to add filters and effects, click the magic wand button on the video, and there you will see the editing features, such as rotate and crop, effects and filters, watermark, and audio. Select effects and filters so you can choose from the filters suitable for your video. You can play on the preview the video you edited and choose the aspect ratio you want. Once you are done editing, click the export button and wait until the process is done. As easy as that, you can create and put transitions on your video without complications. ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate is your best choice if you are looking for a tool with a good and amazing transition for your video. Aside from that, this tool is easy to use, for it has a friendly user interface that even a beginner can use. So what are you waiting for? Get ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate now. We hope this video helps you. For more videos, visit our channel ACESIF. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.